Hey, what's up, guys? We got a 2013 Captiva Sport LT. About to switch out these 6.5-inch door speakers. Come around and show you this this door speaker right here in the driver's side. Car's a little dirty. It's all right, no problem. But yeah, we're gonna switch out these 6.5s right here. I'm gonna show you what we're switching them out with. We got these Rockford Fosgate Primes 6.5s. Take it out the box here, show you. So we got R1s. I'm gonna go in and take one out for y'all right here. Show you what we got. Show you what the speaker looks like. Get out of the packaging here. Show you what's up. So come with the grills, stock grills. Beautiful finish, sleek, all black. Little magnet, 2 leads. Nothing crazy. Right here we got all 4 of them. Be throwing them in here pretty soon. Show you what it look like from the side. Little magnets again. Oh yeah, it also come with the hardware, so you don't gotta worry about that either. Okay, so this is the first door I'm starting with. The rear passenger. The screw is located under this little tab, right underneath the door handle. You come down here to the middle of the door panel. 2 more screws, and those are the only 3 screws in the whole door panel. Just 3. So here I'll show you empty holes. There should be a little pillar right here. You gotta take that off. That's what it looks like when it's on there. Pop that off with like a screwdriver or panel tool. Then right here behind the door, the handle, is a little wire. You gotta disconnect. This is what it looks like. It's located right here. Just use your fingers, pull it down, unhook it.
Next we got the
pretty easy.
Next we got the window switch located down here. There should be a little tab. I'm just gonna disconnect it. Can't do it with one hand. Do that. So this is the clip that was connected to the window switch. Just take it out. It has this little retaining clip. Just get a little screwdriver and push this little tab in right here. And then once you slide this little clip out, you can just push the push tab here on top and pull it out. Now here's the speaker that we're gonna be placing in the factory, little paper speaker. We're gonna be placing all 4. So I'm gonna start with this one, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And then the other 3 after I'm done with this one, I'll show you the finished product. So this is what it looked like. You take out the stock speaker. We're going to cut the lead off because we're going to go splice our new wire into the new speaker. So that's what it looked like. Got the first speaker all screwed down, ready to go. Looks good. Sounds great. Got the door panel all put back on. Let's start this passenger door. So same thing. Take this off. Screw under there. Just screw under there. And this one doesn't have the pillar, so we don't have to worry about that. I should be able to just pop it off. Start this right now. Got the second wire tap connected. About to put the speaker in, test it out, screw it in. Get the
.com/insurance.
What does that sound like?
USAA. What you're made
Not
of,
too bad.
we're made
See
for.
the blown out one. What that blown out one sound like? Straight doo-doo. Alright, let's switch that out some. Pretty easy. Nothing crazy. Speakers in. Alright, finished the last 2. I'm not going to videotape those 2, but I'll show you the final product when we're done. So I wasn't going to film the driver's side, but I just want to show that we have 1 extra clip for the buttons for all the other windows. That's the only extra thing. Other than that, or I'm sorry, that's for the windows. So, for the mirrors. So that's all the other extra. Just take the same thing, take the clip off, and same thing as the other sides. So to take this tab off, you just release this little button right here. That's all you gotta do. It'll come right out, right?